Heyo, it's me, Hyper Savage, and today I'm scared because we're doing another glitter project. Oh no. And if that isn't enough, I'm also extremely tired, so that could add to the excitement. So I got this at Five Below. It's a clearance item, and yes, I did buy something on clearance from Five Below. I take my bargaining seriously. It comes with 2 posters you peel and create and display. And it's all about glitter. So it comes with 2 boards and some magenta-y color. Got 2 packets of that. We got this bronzy color, this neon orange color, I really like that one. This green, like wasabi color, and this yellow color. It's kind of like a tannish yellow, but still yellow. So I'm probably gonna work on this one. We'll see how far we get. So I grabbed my X-Acto knife, and I think I'm gonna start with the green. So this part is indeed sticky. I wonder if I should do both at the same time, because then I could dump the green on here, and then dump the rest of the green on here. Alright, we're gonna do double team. Gonna start with green. Oh, I'm scared. Why did I cut it like that? Why am I holding it like that? Oh no, I don't know what's going on anymore. I'm gonna like start on one side here, and then like kind of lean it that way, like, so hopefully I don't miss any. Oh god, don't get on me. Oh, ooh. Didn't cover it as much as I thought it would. We need more. We need more! Can I get any more to stick? Or is this it? Oh, I want to press it on, but I'm scared because I don't want it on my fingers for the next 5 weeks. Oh no, it got all over my chair. You didn't see it, but some just fell off of the desk right onto my lap. I want more. I want more. Stick more. Stick more better. I don't think it's gonna. Man, it's not like sticky anymore. All over my fingies. No, stop getting all over me. I'm just gonna like use my glove to help brush off any extra. So then my glove could be all sparkly. Ooh. It didn't do as much coverage as I thought it would. But I guess we'll kind of just like shuffle back and forth between the two and perhaps put it back in the bag. Pretend it never happened. How am I gonna get it back into the thing? Gotta cut it off some more. It's done. The deed is done. It's not gonna go in the bag, is it? Oh no. Now it's all over my hand. No! You know what? We're just gonna tap it onto my little Valentine's Day themed mats here and cry about all of it that's all over my hands now. And at the end of the video, I'll clean it up. Big brain. Big brain. Big, wrinkly brain. I wish it would stick. It's not coming off on my finger that much, but I wish there was more, like it'll compact itself more in there. Okay, let's move on to the next color. We got this, I'm assuming that it's these 2 colors for the, oh, what are they called? This part and the gills. I know what those are called. I don't remember what these are called. I don't think they're called stalks. Well, let's start with this one. Whoa, wait, did I peel off more than I should have? Yeah, this purple bit came off. Where does it go? I almost want to not peel off the stalks in the next one and just do the caps. We'll see. Oh, gotta get open. The crunchy sound. Oh no, why did I put that over there? Now it's all over my desk. Ooh. I think the yellow did a way better job than the green did. Whatever. Okay. Now, moment of truth. Do I want to peel this off? Or do I just want it to be the mushroom caps? I think I just want it to be the mushroom caps on them. Just gonna kind of scoot. Oh no! I scooted too hard. Okay, now we'll do the other ones in the bronzy color. Yeah, I don't like that. I think I would have liked it better if the gills and the bronze color were kind of a bit more of a similar shade. Alright, time for the caps. So let's do orange first, because it looks like there's less orange. I like how, like, clean the peel is, though. Like that nice crisp line it leaves behind. Ooh. I think I'm gonna like this one more than this one. Ooh. I mean, I like the colors, I just don't like them together. These are just way too dark. I feel like this is more brown looking now. Alright, and now the magenta-y purpley. Like, it looks magenta, but also purple at the same time. Like, exactly. Yeah, you know what I mean. Man, I'm not gonna be able to touch my eyes for 3 days. Hey, here we go. I see why they gave you 2 packets of this color. But hopefully I won't have to open the next one. Hopefully I can just tap everything where it needs to go and have one less open baggie of glitter. Oh. Doesn't look too bad. Just need to do a little cleanup on this one. Now for this one. I think that these 2 spots that peeled up earlier are gonna peel up again. Alright. Now I have to clean all this up. So this is the best I can do for cleanup, okay? But here they are. I did my best to get all the extras off. I think they turned out alright. Not a huge fan of this one just because I don't like that bronze color for the mushrooms. I just feel like it just doesn't match, and the orange is kind of neon compared to the rest of the color scheme. I think the colors could have been better, and I probably could have used my own colors at that, but I think it's a pretty cool project if you don't mind cleaning up glitter for the next 5 weeks and not being able to touch your eyes for the next 3 days, and probably gonna sneeze glitter every couple of seconds. And, you know, if you are like someone who is super sensitive to things, like me, touching my skin, this is probably not your project, but I did have fun. It was pretty entertaining. I recommend trying out glitter art if you haven't tried it before. I know I had a lot of fun doing it, and you could probably actually just do it yourself if you had like sticky sheets or something and you cut out your own shapes to cover up areas you don't want glitter on. But yeah. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTubey things of comment, liking, and subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!